Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change background color of your video in Trello. So let's start. First, what do you want to do? Of your video, of your change background color in Trello. Yeah. Click on show menu and now you'll find it here, change background. First you have options to choose between colors, and then you have options between photos. Like some of them are really good. And just choose what you want, or you can upload your own, and it's not clickable right now, so we can do it right now, but you get an idea how you can change photos or just colors. So this is how you can change color of your background in Trello. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe, you know how it goes. If you have any questions about Trello, also you can leave down the comment and I'll be really happy to read it. So again, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.